everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all for today's IIC activity on using AI for fundraising and investor pitch preparation. Today's guest is Tushar Patil sir, Assistant Professor in NIT from Yashwantrao Bhosle Institute of Technology. The objective of today's workshop is to understand how artificial intelligence can help students and startups prepare market opportunities, develop business ideas and improve their fundraising strategies. Through this session, we aim to encourage innovation, entrepreneurship and the effective use of AI tools among our students. So, I warmly welcome our resource person, faculty members and all the participants. I hope this session will informative, practical and valuable for everyone. Thank you so much.
Good morning everyone. Today I am going to speak about the AI fundraising investment. AI can help you the fundraising investment can accuracy analysis and prediction based of the investor. We can help the AI tools can multiple AI tools can market multiple tools just can the customer prediction data. ओके AI काय करताय तर AI तुमचा बॅकलॉग डेटा करताय चेक करताय आणि त्या चेक केलेल्या डेटावरती तुम्हाला प्रिडिक्शन करण्यासाठी किंवा तो फंड कसा इन्व्हेस्ट करायचा ते मदत करते हेल्प करते. Market research, customer analysis and competitors analysis can be predict the data for three topics, 3 points can help the prediction of investors. काय करते AI तर AI मार्केट रिसर्च बघते काय मार्केट मध्ये वर्क होत आहे आणि ते कस्टमर अनालिसिस कस्टमरची नीड काय आहे गरज काय आहे आणि ते कॉम्पिटिटर्स अनालिसिस म्हणजे जे इन्व्हेस्ट
त्यामुळे थोडंसं ते